Good evening, people. How you doing, YouTubers? This is Reefman46 with an installation of his sump. So far, I've managed to get it inside the stand. Apparently, this stand, when I bought it, looks like the oilers, it must have been leaking because the floor is a little all messed up, but I had to put that plywood on the bottom. But other than that, it fit perfect. I could have made this thing 36 inches and it still fit. I'll keep you updated on the installation. I still got to connect those two. The one in the red is the return to the aquarium, and the one in the black is the intake to the sock. So now I'm going to have to manage to see if I could turn that over towards that side so I could get it going into the sock. I still got to put in the bulkheads. I still could take it out, but right now I'm trying to level the sump. And so far so good. Looks good inside there. Nice big sump. Reefman46 signing out. Peace. I'll keep you updated.